I'm now more scared than I've ever been. So it looks like we've finally got a decent tensioner. Seems to all still be in time, so this is the last time we'll be dealing with it. I actually properly start putting the bloody thing back together now. Happy days. We're getting there over there. Right, so I haven't decided if this is definitely a turbo we're going to be using or not, but if it is, it's going to need clocked anyway, so we'll clock it, set it back on manifold, and then we can start roughly guessing intercooler piping and stuff. Obviously we'll not be able to get a proper measurement until it's back in the hole, but we got a rough idea. Let's get her clocked. Alright, so if I've done this right, that crazy should, I suppose you could lift it off if you want. Alright, so nice. A little bit there. Sure. That's the injector seals on. We're sticking with the green 1ZZ injectors. They were in there when she was supercharged, so should hopefully be enough. Obviously the head's been out and had a lot of work done, so I'll plop all that in. If I'm right in saying the green 1ZZ injectors are 250cc and the blue ones are 255. I could be wrong, but it should be enough for all we're trying to do. And if it's not, then the injectors are fucking very easy, got it in these anyway, so it's an easy swap out. So that's the next stage. Next piece to the puzzle. Alright, just gonna grease them up. Just a little bit of grease on each injector side. We'll plonk her in. So hopefully one of the last gaskets will be changing. Rocker cover gasket. Just nearly there, boys. That's not the right way to do that. Well, that's the way we're fucking doing it, so get over it. You can build your car how you want to build your car, and we build our car how we want to build our car.
Well, there's going to be the other half of it, and the other half is they're going to copy us because they think it's a good idea. So people are going, oh, this is a shit idea.
How did you do it though?
And then there'll be some fucking people going, oh, that's pretty smart.
Well, I mean, oil will drain from turbo into sump, so I mean, what more do you want? The goal will be achieved.
Hopefully.
Should do. Should do. Now we've already committed, like so. On goes El Sampo. We'll let her sit and cure. We get back down tomorrow, tighten her up, flip her over, and do more things. You ready to run? I'm now more scared than I've ever been.